Okay, here we have a Aprilia 1100 V4 factory. A real nice bike, this one. It's an outstanding bike, really. It's only done just over 5k anyway. It's got all the toys, ABS, riding modes, traction control, anti-wheelie. It's got all the gear that you'd want on something like this. As I say, cosmetically, a really super clean bike. All the consumables are good. Real nice colours. Look how super clean that is. It's a one owner bike as well, this one. Tail tidy's already on it. All the services are up to date. It will still go for our workshop as per normal. A real outstanding bike, this. $5,177 miles. On a 20 plate. There you have it, Aprilia 1100 V4 factory in our showroom in Maidstone. Pop down and have a look, have a cup of tea and coffee while you're here.